Imagine being told you're not good enough, failing, and being rejected, and still becoming the greatest of all time. That's the story of Michael Jordan. His journey to success was full of setbacks, but it was his mindset that transformed him into a global icon. Today, we're going to dive deep into his life, lessons, and how his story can help you learn English faster and with more passion. This is English Fuel. In today's video, we're going to take an exciting journey through the life of Michael Jordan, a name that represents more than just basketball. His incredible rise, struggles, and triumphs offer so many lessons about life, success, and perseverance. Lessons that can help you not just improve your English, but also motivate you to reach your own goals. So grab your notebooks, and let's break down the story of Michael Jordan in a fun and interactive way. And remember, at the end of this video, I'll ask you 3 questions based on his life, and I'd love for you to participate in the comments below. Also, if any words or phrases from the video are unclear, don't hesitate to ask about them in the comments. Let's get started. Michael Jordan was born on February 17, 1963, in Brooklyn, New York, but grew up in Wilmington, North Carolina. He was just like any other kid who loved to play basketball, but early on, he faced challenges. One of the most famous stories about Jordan is that he was cut from his high school basketball team. Can you imagine that? The future NBA legend was told he wasn't good enough to play for his high school team, but instead of giving up, Jordan used this failure as motivation. He spent the next year practicing harder, growing stronger, and improving his skills. He knew that if he wanted to succeed, he had to put in more work than anyone else. This is a powerful lesson. Failure is not the end, it's a lesson. After his setback in high school, Michael Jordan didn't stop. He went to the University of North Carolina, where he joined their basketball team. In his freshman year, he hit the game-winning shot in the national championship game. This was a huge moment in his career, and it showed the world what he was capable of. Jordan's college years were crucial for his development. They taught him to stay focused, to trust his instincts, and to take risks when it mattered most. At the University of North Carolina, he learned not just about basketball, but about what it means to be a leader and a winner. These lessons extended far beyond the basketball court and helped him in every part of his life. In 1984, after leaving college, Michael Jordan was drafted by the Chicago Bulls. His arrival in the NBA was nothing short of spectacular. In his first season, Jordan made an immediate impact, winning the NBA Rookie of the Year award. However, even with all his success, Jordan faced many obstacles, especially with the competition. But his determination to improve and his unrelenting work ethic paid off. In 1991, after years of hard work, Jordan led the Chicago Bulls to their first NBA championship, and this was only the beginning. Jordan went on to win a total of 6 NBA championships with the Bulls, solidifying his place as one of the greatest players in the history of the game. His success was built on his belief in self-improvement and resilience, 2 qualities that helped him overcome every challenge he faced. In 1993, after reaching the pinnacle of success, Michael Jordan shocked the world by announcing his retirement from basketball. He took a break from the sport to pursue a career in baseball, but after a few years, he realized basketball was his true passion. In 1995, he made an iconic return to the NBA with a simple, powerful statement: "I'm back." Jordan's comeback was a testament to his character. Even after taking time off, he returned to the game stronger than ever, leading the Bulls to 3 more NBA championships in the late 1990s. His comeback showed the world that it's never too late to pursue your dreams. Michael Jordan retired for good in 2003, but his impact continues to inspire millions worldwide. Beyond his basketball skills, Jordan became a business mogul and a philanthropist. His influence transcended the basketball court, as he became a cultural icon and a symbol of excellence and perseverance. Jordan's legacy is not just about the championships, the slam dunks, or the MVP awards. His legacy is about his mindset, a mindset that teaches us to never settle, to always strive for more, and to never give up on our dreams. His story shows us that success is built on small, consistent efforts, and that with determination, anyone can achieve greatness. What an incredible journey we've just gone through, right? Michael Jordan's life is a powerful story of resilience, self-belief, and hard work. He didn't just become the greatest basketball player of all time, he became an example of how to chase your dreams, no matter the obstacles. I hope this story has inspired you and helped you realize that learning English, just like achieving greatness, is a journey that requires dedication, patience, and passion. Remember, if you found any words or phrases in this video difficult to understand, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Also, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to English Fuel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Before we end, here are the 3 questions I promised you. 1. What do you think was Michael Jordan's greatest strength? 2. How did his mindset help him overcome challenges in his career? 3. What lesson from his life can you apply to your own journey of learning English? I'm looking forward to reading your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep fueling your English learning journey and remember, greatness is built one step at a time. See you in the next video.